Congratulations and thank you for purchasing your Riccar R70 Smart Mop and Vacuum. Hey, I'm Josh from Riccar and we're gonna check out what's inside the box. The cleaning base and charging station, the charging port, the charging cord, the R70 battery, the cleaning solution caddy, the tool caddy, the dusting brush, the cleaning brush, crevice tool with LED light, the handheld vacuum unit, the main body assembly, the mopping head, and the owner's manual. Now that we've seen everything in the box, let's go ahead and put this thing together. I like starting kind of building from the bottom up, so I'm gonna take the mop head and the main body unit and put it together first. So that just snaps on there. I forgot to mention, no tools required. This is really easy to assemble this and put it together. The next thing you wanna do is take the main vacuum unit. I like to put the battery on it right now, just so it's on. There's some grooves here that line up in here. We're just gonna go ahead and slide that into place. You'll hear it click. Battery's on. This piece here is gonna insert right here. Click, we're put together. This part will actually end up going on this in just a second, but I wanna take now and put our charging port in the top of here. Hear the click, you're good there. These pieces can go on now or later, doesn't matter. It's very simple. They're square, line them up, press it into place. This side over here for the caddies, and you're in place. This unit here is gonna drop into this. There's our charging port. The charger's right here, so we're just gonna drop it in, slide it into place. I haven't hooked up the cord yet, but we will in just a second. We have the cleaning brush. It's gonna go right here. Upholstery tool. The crevice tool with the LED lights gonna drop in right here as well. Owner's book we don't need to put with the vacuum. And our power cord plugs into the back of the machine, and then we're gonna go ahead and plug it in.
Start charging. Please clean the dirty water tank to avoid odors.
So now the unit is up and ready and charging. This portion right here is for the Riccar cleaning solution. The Riccar cleaning solution is sold separately and is what you should use in your R70 Smart Mop and Vacuum. Hope this helps. Happy vacuuming.